Tomorrow's my daughter's preschool graduation, so I decided to build a picnic table today because we're gonna have a couple of people over and we don't have any outside seating. So I ran up to Menards and I had a couple of hours before it started raining to go ahead and build this picnic table. I looked up some free, quote unquote, easy plans on Google, and this is what I came up with. And of course, you know the babies needed to help, so there is KK adding all of the screws into my pilot holes because I didn't want to crack anything as I was screwing into it. And yes, that was the little graduation girl right there. All right, so we're getting the seats on this thing, and it actually came together in just a couple of hours, and you know I gotta try it out, make sure it's not gonna fall over as everybody sits down to eat on it. What do you think? Everybody kind of doubted me. I feel like I get doubted a lot on things, and I'm just like, yo, I'm gonna build a picnic table today.